Noted Khasi author Basbiton Karakor had chosen the 18th of December 2020 as the day for the release of his book Kari Jangi Menwei Batmenta Kajingkar Sio Yaki Parari. The day marks the 80th death anniversary of Meghalaya's poet laureate U Sosotham. The book, which is published by Mr. P.R. Shabong of Once Bros Publications, is a compilation of articles contributed by the author to various vernacular newspapers, and it talks about the origin, change and development of traditions and culture of the Khasi people of Meghalaya. In his speech, the chief guest on the occasion, retired Registrar of the Guwahati High Court, Mr. Herman Nongrum, spoke about the author of the book not only as a contributor to society through his writings, but also a great visionary who is much concerned about the welfare and well-being of the Nyotra people of the state. Mr. Herman Nongrum, while speaking about Basbiton's involvement in the Khasi New Year celebration each year, also talked about the months of the Khasi calendar, which are quite different from those of the Gregorian calendar.
But ngayon na pring kibabon kiri A3 na taray Basbiton idi way na kita kiri A3 da ka contribution ka jung I kung nong tho lamba ki article ki paper na gawai ka por sa gawai pat ka por but hagata ka jing le ekran Jingye Shangka ya Sultana Wadiba Nishan Ala kerpat ye I but ang ye I ba inle ye dagaba tho kindiap lagade slalani asla kat bafila lagabor One thought along the subject, take away the what Katibri Tiblu. Namar Kanika contain Kabangi yet. Ijiakren Manlakapor, Chakapor, Halor Kanika, Nongrim Kajum Kasi, Tibri Tible. Driki Longdian Kinmandian. Kimla ban skotho samton ki khlum ki khna amta ki khna school kirunla ban skotho ya ke jingmut jongani ka tipre tiple.
Those who attended the function included Professor S.S. Majau, who had also reviewed the book before its publication, the daughter of freedom fighter Wycliffe's aim, Kong S. Kharbithai, editor of Urupang, Mr. R.M. Shabong, besides members of the KJWA, friends, well-wishers and family members of Basbiton Karakor.